Mr. Anwar Yusuf Turani, the Prime Minister of East Turkestan Exiled Government, is going to play Uyghur folk music.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the people of East Turkestan, I would like to start my music by playing and singing the national anthem of the Republic of East Turkestan. For the sake of the liberty and the independence of our nation, our blood runs as a river. Kurtuluş yol edildik, aktı bizden kanımız, sen üçün ey yurtumuz, olsun fida bu canımız. Pam gidip afer kaldırdık seni, kalbimizde kurtuluşlar var idi imanımız, kalbimizde kurtuluşlar var idi yurtumuz biz yüz yüzünü kan bilen pakizdik, yurtumuz biz yüz yüzünü kan bilen pakizdik. Biz körletmeyimiz, çünkü Türk yormamız. Adıla Cengiz Demir dünyanı titretken idi, kan birip nam alimiz, biz onu evladımız. Kan birip nam alimiz, biz onu evladımız. Çıktı can hem aktı kan, düşmenden aldık intikam. Çıktı can hem aktallar, düşmenden aldı el aman. Yaştan yüzmen yaşısın, parlasın istikbalimiz. Yaşasın, hiç ölmesin, parlasın istikbalimiz. It's located at the middle of Central Asia. It is the part of the West Turkic world, stretching from China's Great Wall to the east, to the Caspian Sea, to the west, from Siberia to the north, to the Kunlun Mountains, to the south. And this Turkic nation, this territory was invaded by the foreigners. Nationalist China took power, was established in 1911. Our territory, East Turkestan, was conquered or invaded by the national Chinese. when the communist China took power, then it was occupied by the communist China since 1949. So ever since the occupation of our homeland for about 70 years, we lost everything. Once you lost your country, you lost everything. We don't have any freedom. Not only we lost everything, there's a constant persecution, oppression against the people of East Turkestan. Our country became a dungeon to our people. Many people know the situation of other oppressed nations, such as the people of Egypt, people of Syria, Iraq, Palestine, Tibet. Unfortunately, very few people know about our country, of the situation, because of the Chinese control of everything. Natural doesn't anybody to know. The foreign journalist is banned to go there. As a result, a whole nation became like inmate, and the whole territory became a dungeon. So this is the reality of our homeland. And by the way, today's event is supposed to be about just purely culture, but we cannot the situation of our homeland by just showing how we look like, with our dutpa, with our hat, with our... To share my story, to share the story of my fellow East Turkestani people, 35 million East Turkestani people, Uyghur people. By the way, the Uyghur people, we are Turk by race and Muslim by religion. While we are continuing to present our beautiful culture, we just want to let you know what's happening. How the brutal communist China is has been destroying our culture. Especially how the communist China has been attacking the bottom line of our Islamic government, just systematically attacking our religion, killing our people. Chinese occupation, especially in the last 4 days. As I said, more than 5,000 people get massacred.
اللهم اهدنا فيمن هديت وعافنا فيمن عافيت وتولنا فيمن توليت فإنك تقضي ولا يقضى عليك إنه لا يذل من واليت ولا يعز من عاديت تباركت ربنا وتعاليت لا ملجا ولا منجا منك إلا إليك. آمين. اللهم إنك عفو كريم تحب العفو فاعف عنا. آمين. اللهم إنك عفو كريم تحب العفو فاعف عنا. آمين. يا حي يا قيوم يا ذا الجلال والإكرام. آمين. اللهم وفق إخواننا في تركستان الشرقية وفي فلسطين وفي سوريا وفي الشيشان وفي كل مكان يا رب العالمين. اللهم اجمع قلوبنا ووحد صفوفنا وأصلح شبابنا يا رب العالمين. اللهم اقسم لنا من خشيتك ما تحول به بيننا وبين معصيتك، ومن طاعتك ما تبلغنا بها جنتك، ومن اليقين ما تهون به علينا مصائب الدنيا، ومتعنا بأسماعنا وأبصارنا وقواتنا ما أحييتنا، واجعله الوارث منا، واجعل ثأرنا على من ظلمنا، وانصرنا على من عادانا، ولا تجعل مصيبتنا في ديننا، ولا تجعل الدنيا أكبر همنا ولا مبلغ علمنا، ولا تسلط علينا من لا يرحمنا. اللهم لا تدع لنا ذنبا إلا غفرته، ولا هما إلا فرجته، ولا دينا إلا قضيته، ولا حاجة من حوائج الدنيا والآخرة إلا قضيتها يا أرحم الراحمين. يا حي يا قيوم يا ذا الجلال والإكرام. اللهم اغفر ولوالدينا ولجميع المسلمين يا رب العالمين. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.
Yıkılayım bu elemler derdini, nitey bu gazetler derdini. Yıkılayım bu elemler derdini, nitey bu gazetler derdini. O Xudayım sorasa qazi bulup biz yetim, biz miskinler erzini. Xudayım sorasa qazi bulup biz yetim, biz miskinler erzini. Bacımem bayrayım ey barıp gülüm senenge salam diyeysen, vay salam diyeysen.
I'd like to invite the senator to a few words.
Assalamu alaikum. It is a pleasure to be with you today, and it's a real honor for me and frankly for the people of this city to have this first Uyghur cultural celebration here in the nation's capital. Your heritage, your families, your ancestors represent a great culture, a great community, and people who are as deserving of every opportunity and every freedom and every right as everyone in America or any other part of the world. And so I appreciate your sharing your culture with us today and look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.
Next we have Ms. Dulmar will perform a bowl dance.
Hoş bile yüzün çocağım çocuk Çama terdim bir kucak Düşmanlık bulup kaldık bana Esir olgun göz mucak Allah yarım kara göz Düşmanlık